Hello guys, let's make mayonnaise for this season of love. So you need 1 whole egg, 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, black or white, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard, and 1 cup of oil. So you mix all together in your blender and give it a good blend. Keep blending it until it eventually becomes white and creamy. There you go, you have your beautifully tasty mayonnaise. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you.